Yo, what's up? Steve Mannenbach back in the house again, dropping that knowledge on you tonight. What are we going to talk about today? Today we're going to talk about how to boldface your type in a Facebook ad or a Facebook post. So let me shrink my face down, get out of the way so we can get to business. This will be a quick one today. I just learned how to do this. Kind of cool stuff. All right, so here you can see, I should just float this on top again. I keep forgetting to do that. Window, edit, where do we do it at? File, view, here we go, float on top. All right, there we go. Now you can see my face. Beautiful. All right, so here we are, the Facebook ad platform. I'm in the ads manager right now, so I just want to show you can actually see the boldface type working. So how did I get this type right here? We're going to pop over to yaytext.com, right? And I went to the bold italic part of it. You can just type in whatever you want here. Let go. Let's get this money, right? Let's get this money. Probably exclamation point or 3 after that. All right, then what you're going to do is you're going to select the one you want right over here. We're going to go with that one, copy it. Now you're just going to go back into the ads platform. And I'll just drop below this one here. And boom, just paste it in. See, look, there it is. Pops right up, and it's bold now, so it'll catch your attention more, right? It's kind of a sneaky little trick. I'm going to go ahead and erase that, put it back to how it was. And then I want to actually show you what the ad looks like when I did preview. So let's go here. Oh, this one's good. Look at that. Just listen to me talk.
Mannenbach and I'm with Allstate Lending Group. Just coming to you today to let you know about some of our specials on rates. If you're a property investor, you'd be very interested in this. We're offering rates as low as 7.5%.
And it's raining money on my head when I'm talking about hard money loans.
We can also close those loans in as little as 5 business days. 5 days. That's quick. So you get the money you need right now. No waiting around, all right? We can do anything from fix and flips to commercial properties, retail, office buildings, you name it. All
hard
right?
money lending,
Maybe
baby.
you want to refinance a building or you want to take some cash out and invest in another building. We can handle all of that. So all I need you to do right now is click the Learn More button below. We'll send you an e-brochure with all of our lending programs inside of it. So you can check us out. And we'll also have a loan specialist or lending specialist contact you to discuss what option is best for you. All right, sounds good, guys. Click that Learn More button.
All right, that's the ad I just made. We're going to test it out, see how it works. I also thought it was cool to use the video right here because it's a Snapchat video. Not used to seeing those, right? On Facebook. So you kind of have a clash there between the Facebook and the Snapchat with the Snapchat video on Facebook. I think it will grab people's attention. It should get a lot of clicks. We'll find out. I'll report back and let you know. Again, if you want to contact me to help me have you do your ads, my number is 503-551-8690. Again, my name is Steve Mannenbach. You can also email me at steve@wildermarketing.com. Wilder is WYLDER marketing.com. All right, talk to you soon. Peace.